using VLOOKUP function in Excel 2016. There are two main important questions about VLOOKUP function. Number one is when to use VLOOKUP function. So when you are looking for information on a larger set of spreadsheet, you can use VLOOKUP function. The other question is how to use VLOOKUP function. For example, in a phone book, if you want to find a number for someone, then you must know the name of that person. Similarly, if you are looking for some country code, then you must know the country for which you are looking the code. VLOOKUP function work in the same manner. As you can see, this dataset contains author ID, author name, country, published article, knowledge type, and methodology. My task is to find out the number of published articles by following authors individually. The easiest way to do is by VLOOKUP function. Let's start generating the code for VLOOKUP. Take a cell and write what is known. In this case, author. Now in another cell, write what you want to know. In this case, published article. First enter equal sign, type VLOOKUP and select. In the parenthesis, enter the set of argument and it is the piece of data run by the function. Now select the column number of author for whom you want to see published article. Enter comma. After that, provide the information where the function can look for match. In this case, the dataset is from B to till enter colon till F31. Enter comma. My task is to find out published article which is in column 3. So I enter 3 and enter comma again. Now you can see there are two options, true and false. True will give you approximate match, whereas false will give you exact match. So write false. Close the parenthesis and the code is generated. You can see the code is generated but there is no information. So for that you have to enter the author name. For example, if I want to find out for Liu Jinbo, then I will write here Liu Jinbo and press enter. Now you will see it is 56. So author Liu Jinbo has published 56 articles. Similarly, if I want to find out for Chen Jian, I will write here Chen Jian. Press enter. It will give me the information about the author Chen Jian. This was about the column 3. Now if I want to find out what kind of knowledge the articles are contain, then I simply change my code by before I have entered the column 3. Now I just simply remove change 3 by 4. Now I will press enter. Now you can see that Chen Jian, maybe I should write it here. The knowledge type for Chen Jian is empirical. Similarly, I can change it again. For example, if I want to find out what type of methodology they have used, so methodology is in my F column. I will change 4 with the 5 column with 5 and press enter. You can see the methodology is quantitative. Chen Jian, the methodology is quantitative. This was all about today's video. Hope you liked and understand it. Try using VLOOKUP function and let me know in the comment section about it. I wish you all the best and have a good day.